Yes, guys, this is now our final circuit for our two-way one-gun switch installation. I was just showing you how to install this one. Maybe you can use this type of format on a staircase. Maybe you are on a first floor, you can switch on your light from first floor, then you can switch off from ground floor. That's where this is applicable. And now this is our final circuit. You can switch on your light from this point, you can switch on, or you can switch off from this point and switch on. Thank you guys, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Johnny Electricals. Cheers. To explain something, one more thing. This is my power supply. So my power comes in my first switch to L common. Then from L1 to L2, I loop with these two cables to my second switch. Then here, L1, this is L1 and L2 to the second switch. Then the common from this second switch feeds the lamp. Now this is the lamp feed. My neutral cable comes direct from the power supply. Thank you so much, guys. This is only for training purposes. So don't worry about not fixing these ones in the switch boxes. This is for training purposes only. Thank you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cheers, guys.